Wouldn't it be great if building a website was as simple as having a conversation? With WordPress.com's AI website builder, it actually is. Just type in a prompt and it builds your entire site, layout, images, even text in minutes. You don't need any design skills or tech expertise. It's fast, flexible, and still 100% WordPress so you can grow with it over time. If you're an entrepreneur or a small business owner that needs a quick, simple, and easy website, this is going to be great for you. If you're a freelancer that doesn't have a big budget or tech experience, you're also going to love this. And if you are a blogger that doesn't want to spend a lot of time and effort building your website and you just want your words online as quickly as possible, this is going to solve that problem for you. Just keep in mind this tool is currently only for new websites. So if you want to make changes on your existing website, this isn't going to work. It also currently does not support e-commerce or complex integrations, though it looks like that might be coming soon. So let's talk pricing. Now, the WordPress AI Builder does come with a free trial and 30 prompts that you can use before you have to pay for a plan. You also need to pay for a plan before you take your website live. The plans that include the website builder are the premium plan and the business plan. And that again is no extra cost for the AI builder, and it comes with all of these other features, including a free domain name for the first year. But let's not worry about the pricing for now, and let's check out how the AI builder works. So when you click the link in my description below, you're going to come to this page. And now what we want to do is put in a detailed prompt about our website here to get started. So here's the prompt I'm going to use. And you want this to be as specific as possible. The more information you give the builder, the better. You want to make sure you give your website name and a short description about your business or your website. When you're done with that, click this little arrow icon, and then it's going to ask you to sign into your WordPress.com account if you already have one, or create an account. So I'm going to do that. And then after you do that, it should say something like this while things are getting set up. And then it is going to bring you to an AI chat page like this, where it's going to ask you a little bit more information about your website. For me, it's asking for a physical location. And since this is not a real business, I'm just going to put in 123 Main Street and then click the arrow icon again. It wants a city and state. So I'm going to put in the city and state where I grew up. And then it's asking me to confirm the site details, and that looks good to me. So I'm going to click yes, create my site. And then WordPress.com is going to take a little bit of time to work with the AI and create your website. So you're going to want to give it a couple minutes here. And then when it's done, it's going to start going through this and building your website, which is very cool to watch it build section to section. And this is looking really great. I said high scale dog bakery, and this is looking like a high scale dog bakery. I'm really pleased with all these pictures it picked, and everything is looking pretty good. Now, when that's done, we're going to get this pop-up down here in the bottom, and it's saying, welcome, pick your layout, color palette, and font pairings. So we're going to click continue here. And now we have a couple different layout options for your website. That is really cute. Look at that little doggy looking in the bakery, right? And you can just go through here and click through here and see which one of these you like the best for your business. This is super easy, right? So I'm actually going to choose this one. I like that one a lot. I think that picture is really cute. And then I'm going to click continue. And then it's going to give an option for some colors. So you can pick these colors here, or you can ask AI for new color palettes. And let's say something classy and delicious. I don't know if I know how to spell delicious. Every time I'm on video with you guys and I spell something bad, I am very, very embarrassed. So there we go, delicious. And then I'm going to click that arrow. And let's see what new colors it gave us. We've got a bunch of options that are looking good. I think I like that one. So I'm going to click that, and you see the website updates here. And then when that's good, I'm going to click continue. And now I can click a font pairing that I like. So let's see here. I think that looks really cute and matches really well with the site. So I'm going to keep that one, and then I'm going to click continue. And now we are in the editor. So from in here, you can make manual changes if you'd like. Like you can click into here and add text right here. Or you can also go into the chat box, the AI chat box, and ask it to do things. So let's see, what can we ask the AI chatbot to do here? Remember, we get 30 free requests with the free trial. So let's try for this one. Let's ask, can we have a different photo here with dogs eating? And let's see if that gives us a better picture than that is so freaking cute. Okay, that's adorable. It's not a bakery image, but that is such a cute dog. We're just going to keep it there because it works for the tutorial and he's adorable and this isn't a real business. So you can ask AI to help you get new pictures that way. You can also say, let's say here, if we want to add in a contact form, instead of having to build your own contact form, if that feels stressful, you can just ask here, can you please add a contact form? And then hit enter. And let's see what that does. Okay, so this is saying we already have a contact section on the website. So it wants us to either remove this section and add a new one or select it and ask it to replace it. So I've got the contact section selected now. And I'm going to ask it, can you please give me another contact section that includes a contact form? And then I'm going to click the arrow icon. And then it gives me other options for the contact section. So I'm going to choose this one with the contact form. That looks good. But I want that same purple background. So instead of that dark one, I'm going to say, can you give me a purple background here instead? One of the website colors we already picked. And then I'm hitting enter. Oh, it looks like it can't find the color purple from the color palette. So let's just say, let's do a lavender purple. I spelled lavender wrong too, guys. And that actually did not work, and I had to press undo, probably because I spelt lavender wrong. So let's say a light gray purple and see if that works better. There we go. That works, but the text is now too light. So let's say, can you make the text in this section dark brown? And it's letting me know I've used 15 of my 30 requests already, so that is pretty quick. But it did update my colors very well. So after you go through this and you make changes either through AI or manually, and you're all done, now let's launch it. So to do that, you're going to want to click launch in the top right. It's going to ask if you're ready to launch, and then you're going to click continue when you are. You're going to choose a domain name. I can go ahead and just select this one. And then you pick whatever plan you like. And then after you check out, you will be able to bring your site live. And that's it. Now you know all about WordPress's AI Builder, how to use it, and how to get your site online. If I was helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. If you're building your own website, make sure to check my description to get your free download of my 9-step website roadmap to get your website live from start to finish. Thank you so much for watching.